Hi everyone, Mina here from Sundance Mazda, and today we're going to be showing you how to pair your phone with your 2021 Mazda CX-5. Let's get started. Hi everyone, so now that you're in your 2021 Mazda CX-5, the first screen you should see is your home screen on your Mazda Connect. If by chance you're not there, you simply want to press the home button right here on your HMI command center and it will take you to your home screen. You want to select the communication tab, which is the one in the middle. You'll see it says no phone connected. We want to connect our phone right now. So we're going to hit connect. It'll take you to the Bluetooth connection screen. We want to hit add new device. And when you select your settings, you want to go right to your Bluetooth screen. And we're going to wait for Mazda to show up. Once that is available, we're going to select it. It's going to give you a pairing number. We're just going to make sure that pairing number matches, and it does. So I'll hit pair on my phone. We'll hit yes on the screen. There will be an option on your phone to also sync your contacts and your favorites. We're going to hit allow. And in just a few short seconds, your phone will be paired up and you'll get a notification saying that your phone is now all synced up. Secondary option, rather than connecting your phone on the communication tab, you want to scroll over to the right and select the settings tab. From there, you want to navigate over to the tab that says devices. We're going to select the first option, which is Bluetooth, and it'll give you an option to add more than one phone on the Bluetooth connection system. So now you have two great ways to pair up your phone via Bluetooth on your Mazda vehicle. Again, this is Mina from Sundance Mazda. Feel free to reach me at 780-245-3785 with any further questions that you may have on your Mazda CX-5, or if you'd like to book a test drive on our CX-5 or any of our great Mazda vehicles. Thanks for watching.